Downham Radio Control Club chairman John and his dog Max with a Sebart Mytho S. With the JR transmitter, the plane is fitted out with a dual sky motor, a 100 amp dual sky speed controller, two 5-cell 5000 mAh batteries and an AR 8000 Spectrum receiver with a 6-volt flight battery. Today, John is going to do the GBR CAA intermediate schedule for us. The takeoff sequence is into wind. It includes a 90-degree turn with a 270-degree turn to bring the model back down the flight line. We also have an onboard camera so we can see each manoeuvre from both angles. Here's the 90-degree turn, followed by the 270-degree turn to bring us back down the flight line. The section from the centre and including the turn round split S is not judged. Here you can see it from on board. If needed, small trims could be done and getting yourself ready for the next manoeuvre. The second manoeuvre is a triangular loop with the base at the bottom. From on board we can see over the point at the top, down the other side. Third manoeuvre is a stall turn with a full roll on the upward leg. We can see the full roll on the upward leg quite nicely from on board. The next manoeuvre is a 4-point roll. Next is a Immelman turn with a half roll at the top. Manoeuvre number 6 is a square loop. Starting at the top with a half roll on legs 1 and 3. From on board we can see the start, the half roll on the downward leg, and the half roll on the upward leg. Manoeuvre number 7 is a split S full roll to exit inverted. Number 8 is an inverted Cuban 8 with half rolls in the centre with the exit being inverted. We can see those manoeuvres from on board now, the full roll, the split S, the first part of the Cubanate, half roll in the centre, second part of the Cubanate, half roll into inverted flight. The next manoeuvre is a Humpty Bump. From inverted, a vertical climb and fly over the top and back down the other side to the flight line. Figure number 10 is an S in the centre of the flight line. This goes into figure number 11, which is a figure 6 with a half roll on the downward leg. We can see this on board, half roll, number 12 is a knife edge, equal distance each side of the centre line, exit inverted. The next manoeuvre is a half loop back to the centre. Here we have manoeuvre number 14, which is a 3-turn spin on the centre line. John's turning now downwind on the downwind leg of his landing. Here we can see the 3-turn spin from on board. And the downwind leg. Here's John with the downwind turn, lining up for the field. And the landing. Here we are on the downwind leg and turn. Turning into wind now to line up on the field for our landing. That's the completion of the schedule. Thank you, John.